Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. Today I'm having fun with fall. I'm using upcycle items and Dollar Tree items. These bottles were, let's see, they were like a meal replacement bottle, but I thought they were a great shape. They looked a little bit like old milk bottles. So I am wrapping them with Dollar Tree Nautical rope. That's some good hot glue to get it started. I always use Gorilla Glue, and that way I get a nice strong hold. Once I feel it's started, then I can just wind it. And I want just a little rim at the top. And I actually figured out I had two different size nautical ropes. One was a little bigger than the other, so that's why I put the bigger one at the top. And I'm taking two of these Dollar Tree cardboard signs. And I've got some of the little feet, they're little planters that have the faux succulents in them. And I'm putting them on the bottom of one of the signs. Except I figured out I should have turned them the other way, because once I got the bottles on there, they were pretty rocky. See, if I hadn't had other things on there or something short, it would have been fine. So what I ended up doing was finding another one and putting it in the middle later on and turning it the different way. Made it much more stable. And I like these brown buffalo checks on the sides. I'm going to paint the top with the ivory from the Waverly chalk paint. Okay, I think I got this sign from Target Dollar Spot. That's right, I did. They come with a stand, or they can be used with a stand. And I thought it was cute. I'm going to put a little of the Fix-All glue on this, and that way it'll stick really, really well. And that way the middle seam doesn't show quite as much. I dry brushed a little white on those feet. See how wobbly that is? And you can see they're a little different color too. So I put the one that had a little multicolor in the middle and the other two that were darker on the edges. Can you see how the top of that middle one is a little lighter? So you really have to watch that nautical rope when you get it at Dollar Tree. So I'm putting some of the Fix-All on the bottom and some glue. I didn't show it, but it all did come crashing down on me. So I saw somebody when they were shopping at Target, and they showed some of the new foliage there, and they had some wheat that was very similar. I just thought it was so pretty, so when I found the weed at Dollar Tree, I thought, oh, I need to make something to put this in. So I only found 2 of the orange and a whole bunch of the goldish yellow color. And so I put the orange in the middle. I swear all the time Dollar Tree steps up their game on their florals. That one was having a hard time sticking. I'm just fluffing them out just a little bit. And see it rocking back and forth. I tried to pry them off, but that's the joy of using Gorilla Glue. They didn't come off. Oh, and I'm putting some of this little beaded garland around the top. I was so happy when I found these. Because when they had them out last Christmas, I tried and tried and tried to find them and never did. They went that quick. So keep your eye out, because when they come out with the Christmas one, they'll be gone. I think these were gone pretty quick too. using a dowel and wrapping it around just to make a little curl in it. One, I know you're thinking, push that one in place. And I put some leaves on here. That's what the package looked like that the sign came in. Oh, putting some of the little berries on there. It came off one of the florals. Whoa, there it goes. There it is, all done. There it is again, all done. And I thank you so much for watching. Hope you subscribe to my channel and come back and visit me again. I will be uploading some more very, very soon. Thanks. Bye.